hospital. We will take care of you, as always.
Afternoon, or wherever you are. Welcome to the Navi Tutorial TV show. No, seriously, welcome back. And yes, it seems that the untold story is about to be revealed. However, much has happened. After the incident with Lilith and her whole change of scenery, it was either completely removed or my memory had been erased. All I know is that I am a host for this amazing tutorial TV show for now, at least. Welcome to HDS Part 4, an unexpected installment to the series, but yet, very wanted. Even I am curious as to what will happen. I know you want to go right ahead, but first we have to do our regular test as always. You may notice that the HUD display is a bit different. Well, we are on a different platform this time. Alex, or Lilith, completely wiped VR chat. After Project Rebirth and Lilith's wipe, VR chat is wiped from existence. Now we are here. You know what to do. Once the doors open, a laser will scan you to make sure that you are ready for the story. If you see synchronization complete on your screen, then this—
Stay still, please, as we scan you. This should not take too long. You should experience a bit blurriness, but you should see that the synchronization is working.
As for audio and atmosphere, I highly recommend to play on 90 to 100%. And if you do play desktop mode, please play with the lights off. For a true Huggy Dungeon series experience, I highly recommend you play all the other installments first before playing Part 4. It's optional, but you will probably know a lot more about the lore, nor the references. Then again, who am I to tell you what to do? Anyway, keep in mind that flying and spawning props have been disabled due to the fact that those can be used for cheats. Cheating is not allowed and will ruin your experience.